Understanding the phrase, I'm drawn to you, an English learning guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, I'm drawn to you. This phrase is not only common in everyday English but also rich in meaning and context. Let's dive into what it means and how you can use it in your conversations. Literal meaning. The word, drawn, literally means to be pulled or led towards something. Imagine a magnet pulling an object towards itself. Figurative meaning. When we say, I'm drawn to you, we're expressing a strong attraction or interest towards someone. This attraction can be physical, emotional, or intellectual. It's like an invisible force pulling you towards that person. 1. Romantic attraction. I'm drawn to you is often used to describe a romantic interest. It's a subtle way of saying you find someone very attractive. 2. Intellectual attraction. This phrase can also imply you're attracted to someone's mind or ideas. For example, when you find someone's thoughts or conversation fascinating. 3. Emotional connection. Sometimes, I'm drawn to you means you feel a deep emotional connection with someone, often without a clear explanation. Romantic context. Ever since we met, I've been drawn to you. There's just something about you that I can't resist. Intellectual context. I'm really drawn to you because of your unique perspective on philosophy. Emotional context. I can't explain why, but I'm just drawn to you. It's like we've known each other forever. I'm attracted to you, more direct and often implies romantic interest. You pique my interest, indicates curiosity or interest in someone's ideas or personality. I feel a connection with you, suggests an emotional bond. I'm drawn to you is a versatile phrase that captures various forms of attraction and interest. Whether it's romantic, intellectual, or emotional, this phrase helps convey your feelings in a nuanced and respectful way. I hope this video helps you understand and use I'm drawn to you in your English conversations. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.